Hello guys, welcome. This video we are gonna covering classes, namespaces, functions and about printing text to console. To create a new project, so first you need Visual Studio, link in description. Now to create a new project, go to file, new and then project, new project. Head over under Visual C# and then Windows Classic Desktop and then console application. I want to focus you on this. I want you to focus on this name. You can change this name whatever you want, and location you can also change, but I will keep it default. Then what is this solution is something we will cover in later videos, and I will name it C#. No, let's name it C#1 and just press OK. Now what you get is using this is using all these namespaces. So namespaces are just a way of organizing classes, and this is namespaces, namespace created, C#1 namespace that is created by default. So how this C#1 name came from? So this namespace, the name of this namespace will depend on what you name, what the name of the project. So here is a class called program, then inside that we have a function called main. So the main function is the starting point of your program. The program will start from the main function. It requires a parameter called string argument. We will cover this later. Now let's head over to our first statement we will learn, and this will print text to console as I said later. So here console is the class and WriteLine is the function inside it, and then this is the parameter we provide to it. Later we will study all about these functions and parameters. Now you see that using system is highlighted. This is because the class console is inside system namespace. As I said, now you can delete all these because these are not required, only system namespace is required. Control F5 to run the application, and then you see hello world printed over here. So console is a class inside system namespace, and system namespace are a way of organizing code. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.